Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the crazy day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint with the big gap down, but all this was occurring on just huge volume, well above average. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one moving into Thursday. So let's get some levels of support mapped out, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So first main level of resistance, if there's going to be any sort of recovery at all, is all about this area right here around $20.60. You can see that several times throughout the course of the day, the price was right up around that area, and it failed to build any momentum there, came back down when the price went back up, once again failed to build any sort of momentum, and then has come back down. So while I'm not saying that that level can't be broken or anything like that, I'm just saying that if there is any sort of continued sideways movement and movement then back to the upside, that's where the big old question mark remains. Can the price actually get up above and stay above that level right there at $20.60? And that's going to be a level that a lot of people are watching. So, I'm not trying to come across like that's some sort of great discovery on my part. A lot of people will be watching that level. And I emphasize a lot of people because when there are a lot of people watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce, good, dynamic price movement. And that's what we have with that area right there. So keep a close eye on that. As far as areas of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. Main level to watch in the near term going to be right there at $19.45. And then after $19.45, next key level down there around the $18.90. Let's just call that the $19 mark. So $19.45 and then $19 to the near-term levels of support. And then if the price breaks down through those areas, that would just be putting the price down at lows that have not been seen for quite literally months upon months. So we'll see what happens with it moving forward. But yeah, today was a very rough day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.